This is y. This is y and x. I said that backwards. X and y. Okay, so I have x and y. Sorry about that. And I caught myself, so I'm glad I did that. Now I have 20, 35. Well, this is a good, strong possibility. So I'm going to put a check mark there. 30, 60. Nope, that doesn't work out. Don't have that. Cross that one out. Cross that out. 40, 85. Oops, look at this one. It's an 85, 40. Not at all. And then I have a 50, 90. Nope, not at all. This is 90, 50. Not the same point. We talked about that in class. That 90 would have been all the way over here, and it would have been 50 up. So wrong placement. That was on our homework last night. 85 would have been way over here, and then 40 would be here. So very different. So the right answer here is then going to be A. So I was able to isolate those out. Number 6, the number of popped kernels stays the same after 50 seconds. Which order pair can you plot to show the number of popped kernels after 60 seconds? All right, so we said that after 50 seconds, it was at 90. And we said that the number of popped kernels stays the same. So the number of popped kernels stays the same after 50 seconds. Remember, this is going to be popped kernels. So if we had 50, 90, if 90 kernels were popped right here at 50 seconds, and my 90 kernels are going to stay the same, which order pair can plot to show the number of popped kernels after 60 seconds? Okay, well, this one here, nope, that's not after 60, so that's not going to work. 90 seconds, it says that the number of popped kernels stay the same. Well, we popped 90 kernels, so this is what we're looking for. So that's not right, because it said this is after 60 seconds, but the kernels have to be at 90, so that's not right. This is after the 50 seconds, so after 60. So I have 60 popped 90. It's a good possibility. But this one right here, it said that it popped 90 kernels, and that would stay the constant. So this is not going to work. So the best answer is C. All right, let's look at number 7. Marco plots the point 120 in a coordinate grid to show the number of minutes it takes him to walk 1 mile. Which ordered pair might Mark use to show how many minutes it takes him to walk 3 miles? So I have 1 mile was, and I'm going to make a input-output table. So I can do it this way if I want it to. 1 mile was 20. 2 miles would be what? 40. 3 miles will be 60, because I'm skipping by 20s. Or make room for the rule. Remember, we talked about having rules when we were doing the conversions. And you can do the same thing here, making a third one. So this is going to be miles, and then this is going to be, this will be number of minutes. This is minutes. And this is mile. So Mark plots the point 1 and 20 in a coordinate grid to show the number of minutes it takes him to walk 1 mile. Which ordered pair might Marco use to show how many minutes it takes him to walk 3 miles? So here it's 1, and then it's the miles would be the 20. 2, so how did we get from 1 to 20? Well, we couldn't add 19. That doesn't make any sense. So I multiplied it by 20. 2 times 20 equals 40. 3 times 20 equals 60. So here, this is my X and this is my Y. And so the best answer would be 3. It would take him to walk. When he walks 3 miles, I saw what I did. This is miles and how long it will take him for minutes. Okay, so for 3 miles, it was 60 minutes. It's like, that's not making any sense in my head. All right, so I got that one in order. Because here we had 1 and 20. So in a coordinate grid, it showed the number of minutes it takes him to walk 1 mile. So here is the number of miles. So it's 1 mile, and it took him 20 minutes to walk it. 2 miles, it would take him 40. 3 miles, it will take him 60. And so that's the way we did that one. Okay, sorry about the confusion, guys. Yeah, it happens. What would have been easier if I went to underline what was the important facts and details rather than taking the shortcuts and then bracketing and then writing what I needed to do. Let's look at number 8 for our multi-step problem. Which set of order pairs shows the data in the table? All right, so now we're looking at the input-output table. I'm going to mark this X, this Y. Weight of Monroe's kitten. Age, months, 1 month. The weight was 2 pounds. 2 months, 3 pounds. 3 months, 5 pounds. 4 months, 7 pounds. 5 months, 8 pounds. So look at the ordered pair. So I'm going to make this very easy for myself by circling my ordered pairs ahead of time. And now I'm going to say that's going to be X is 1 and then 2. So I'm looking, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So I can eliminate this one right off the bat. The next one is 2, 3. Well, that's not it. So I'm going to mark that one off the bat. That's not 3, 2, because it's 2, 3. So I'm going to mark that off, because that's not right. So here I have 2, 3, 3, 5, 4, 7, and 5, 8. So D is the correct answer. So if you do step by step, it makes it so much easier. Let's look at this multi-step problem. Joe measures a puddle as it evaporates. After the first hour, the puddle is 10 centimeters. So I have after the first hour, it's 10 centimeters long. So she plots 110 in a coordinate grid. After 2 hours, so I have 1 hour, it's 10 centimeters long. After 2 hours, it's 5 centimeters long. After 3 hours, the puddle is 2 centimeters long. Which order pairs should Joe plot to show the data? All right, so now let's look at here. Here's the hours and how long it was. So this is 2, 5, 3, 2. Okay? Remember your X is first, hours, and then how long it was. Because they showed you right here. This was your guidance right here. So here was the hour that was first, and then the length of the puddle. Not poodle, but puddle. And so they already gave you the benchmark on how that was going to happen, or a guideline. So I have 2 hours, 5, and so this one here. This won't work because it's not what, we're not starting off with 2. This is X and Y. So that doesn't work, this doesn't work, and this doesn't work. Okay, and that's it for our homework tonight. I hope you enjoyed plotting it. Remember, you're going to have 2 questions on this, and we're going to go over tomorrow, going over this one more time, and then having a short quiz on Friday. Sample questions are going to be going home. I'll get those out to y'all so you would have that. All right. Y'all take care. Have a great evening and see you tomorrow. Bye.